Welcome to the Centre for Aesthetic and Implant Dentistry, an integrated facility that underscores the changing face of modern dentistry. From the chic of its design to the result-driven philosophy, the centre is very appropriately located in Melbourne, the style and sporting capital of Australia, where results always matter. The facility is easily accessible on Burwood Highway and boasts a spacious patient lounge, treatment rooms fitted with state-of-the-art Sirona dental equipment, on-demand entertainment, a comfy recovery room, heaps of parking spaces, the list just goes on and on. But what makes this clinic unique is the integration of a high-tech training centre with other clinical facilities and resources which are available to external clinicians and their patients. The clinic's outpatient facility has 2 operating theatres and offers sedation and general anaesthetic services under the supervision of specialist anaesthetists. Depending on the patient's individual circumstances, the Medicare rebate can be as high as 70 to 80% of the anaesthetic fees. Suitable for both adults and children, the facility is different from most day hospitals in that it offers dentists access to a modern dental setup in a setting they are accustomed to. Apart from the A to Z of dental equipment and materials, the clinic also stocks a large inventory of implant components at your disposal. New generation ICAT cone beam X-ray is available either as a separate radiological service or for instant diagnosis of referred patients. All cone beam X-rays are reported by specialist radiologists and are also partly claimable through Medicare. But an ideal dental setup would never be complete without a dental laboratory.
Having one of Australia's leading dental implants and ceramic laboratories in the one location not only helps with the quicker turnarounds, but also gives me and other dentists an opportunity to monitor and control the process and the quality of the restorations. And that is particularly important when patients undergo restorative or immediate implant restorations.
You've probably got a world-class centre here in Burwood for any dentists in the area particularly that need help with implant cases.
We use the facilities here for a number of things, general anaesthetic sessions, and when we need specific help with particular procedures like sinus lifts or all-on-4 implants.
Founded by Dr. Alex Fibyshenko, one of Australia's most respected and innovative implant surgeons, the centre has become renowned as a go-to clinic for advanced training and is frequented by many of Australia's most prominent dentists and specialists. Dr. Fibyshenko has made a name for himself through his involvement in the development of advanced surgical and restorative techniques and the all-on-4 plus concept.
All-on-4 Plus has become particularly popular in recent times due to a number of factors that lead to more satisfying patient outcomes, not least of which is a built-in contingency plan.
Whilst there's no specialty dedicated to dental implants in Australia, Dr. Fibyshenko does conduct a referrals-based practice exclusive to dental implants and dentoalveolar surgery and works in a surgical capacity with various referring dentists and specialists throughout Australia.
I always encourage my referring dentists to be involved in one way or another in the patient's treatment so that they too can benefit from the impact that immediate rehabilitation with dental implants can have on a patient's quality of life and satisfaction, and the patient referrals that invariably follow. Depending on a dentist's skill and experience, getting involved ranges from simply undertaking some pre-op work at their own practices right through to performing immediate restorative procedures for their patients here at the clinic.
As a regularly invited speaker in the areas of dental implants and plastic and reconstructive dentoalveolar surgery, Dr. Fibyshenko is passionately involved in his own private and much sought after training and mentor programs.
He's been my mentor for a number of years. He's a pioneer in my eyes and I learn a lot from the man.
And Alex's skill as a surgeon really is second to none.
We do some complex treatments together and cases that require a little bit of unusual treatment planning. Where you've got to think a little bit outside the square.
Probably one of the best all-on-4 presentations you will see anywhere in the world.
It took away my scepticism of the technique, and he gave very good reasons that explained why the all-on-4 was a very valid system to consider using. Alex obviously has a lot of experience and has the runs on the board and has developed the technique over the years that he's been practicing it. So I think he's obviously fine-tuned it and knows a lot about it, and would be I'm sure one of the most experienced people in Melbourne, if not maybe Australia.
For more information on the facilities, training courses, or to refer a patient, professionals should contact the Provider Relations Manager here.